the first place in various inter-school competitions. Ajay K of class 8 in Picasso drawing competition and Shreya Prajapati of class 10 in elocution conducted by Slash 24 on 27th July Blossom Public School, Tanjore. Jishnu K of class 10 for speech and Gita recitation on 23rd August in Savitri Vidyasala Hindu Girls Higher Secondary School. Rakshita KV of class 7 in Rangotsav Art organized by DAV on 24th August. Vasant EP of class 7 and Harita T of class 8 won the Best Dancer Award in Oregon conducted by Tamarai International School on 24th August. Again, Jisne K of class 10 for instrumental solo in Thalil Vasantham at Kalaikaveri College of Arts, Fine Arts on 31st August. Kenan Jessica of class 9 for Swachhata Bagwada drawing competition conducted by BHL Trichy on 29th August. Ramanujam K of class 4 for Alpha Aura Spell Bee competition at Alpha Wisdom Vidyashram Senior Secondary School on 31st August 2024. Ajay K of class 8 for skating and Nikarika Deepesh of class 9 for a jam. Just a minute. Vibhusha K of class 10 and Shalini S of class 12 in Pavendra is essay writing held at Muttamil Mandram from 16th to 19th July. Rakshana Devi A of class 9, Sindhupurani C of class 12 for singing. Akshada G, Mohit R and Sudarshan S of class 5, Vedika and Tarun of class 6, Mritika R, Harshika and Meena K of class 8 and Narendran B of class 10 all won first prizes in Tamil error-free writing. Jisnu K of class 10 in Gaines Samskriti solo instrumental at Jain's group of Golden City, Bangalore on 11th August. Johanna R of class 10 won the Miss Enthusia and Miss Talented title in Walking Tall solo competition at the K. Ramakrishna College of Engineering and Technology on 10th September. Jisne K of class 10 in Fits of Fury Free instrumental solo at Sandhana Vidyalaya on 19th October. Nigarika Deepesh of class 9 in Literary Odissi English Speech and Ajay of class 8 in Creative Writing. Regan AV class 9 in Design Arts Fest and 2004 Fashion Show at Sri Vignesh Vidyalaya on 23rd October. Kavya Sri MK of class 10 in Poetry Competition organized by District Blindness Control Society and India Red Cross Society of 39th National Eye Donation Fortnight Celebrations 2024 on 29th August. Rati Priya RP of class 10 in Samskrita Shrabi drawing competition at the Srimat Andaman Arts College on 28th October. Shreya Prajapati of class 10 in Zone First English Elocution John of Arc International School on 25th October. Dakshita M of class 6 and Nishika Munusami of class 8 for solo dance. Samita Shreyan S of class 10 in art form from waste. Kavyasri K of class 6 in Tamil elocution. Regan AV of class 9 won Mr. John First title and Miss Johanna R of class 10 won the Miss John First title. Nishika Munusami of class 8 and Regan AV of class 9 in V Spark 2024 solo dance at Vignesh Public School and Kenan Jessica of class 9 for pot painting and Pranav K of class 8 for running commentary. Hasini K of class 8 in Rajutsav 24 for Tamil speech at Rajaji Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School on 23rd November. and Sravandika Sai of class 9 for English speech, and Naliniksha RS of class 8 for solo singing. Our school won overall championship trophy in the following events: Splash 2024 by Blossom School, Alpha Aura by Alpha Wisdom Vidyashram Senior Secondary School, Sandfest 24 by Sandana Vidyalaya, John Fest by John of Arc International School, and Rajutsav 24 by Rajaji Vidyalaya. So these are the winners. I have read only those who got first prizes. Krida Kendram, a sports initiative.